If you are interested in building some mobile applications or some mobile games completely for free using no code app builders, this is the best video to watch, because I'm just about to share with you 3 platforms that you can use to create applications or even mobile games with no code or with no experience. So if you are interested, make sure to watch this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are or if you like my content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so this way you support me to upload more content. So the first no code app builder in our list for today's video is AppsGazer. AppsGazer.com is an online platform that you can use to build applications, mobile applications, completely for free. As well, you can create using this platform on mobile games as well. So once you go to this platform, which is appsgazer.com, just type it on Google and click on the first result. You will see this interface right here that will, show you everything you want to learn about this website and how it works actually. So as you can see, we have right there something like millions of applications created worldwide, meaning that this is one of the well-known platforms that everybody using to create some good-looking applications like this ones right here. As you can see, you can create media players, you can create some case simulator, a website, a photo editor, all of these applications and more. You can create them using this website. So how does it work? All what you need to do is just click on this green button right here, which is create app, and once you create it, then you will get redirected to this interface right here. So it says create app. So right here you need to choose which kind of apps you want to build or to create on this platform. So we have many different choices right here. For example, if you want a website, so if you have a website and you want to create an application for your website, this is one of the best tools to use, because all what you need is just the link of your website and you will have your website in a mobile version in application, which is really good, and it will help you and help your visitors to visit your website through your personal or through your own application. You can create a wallpaper as well. You can even create a messenger with video calls. Imagine you can create messenger application with video calls as well. You have right here the same messenger with live streams, media player, mobile TV. You have right here some music applications if you want to create a music application, book reader, app for TikTok as well, fishing. So this is a game, right? A mobile game. You can create it, and they will show with you right now how you can change everything, how to build it, how to create it, how to change stuffs, icons, images. It's completely easy. It's all about drag and dropping. You can create a guide, you can create a browser. Imagine if you create your own browser and you can browse the internet through your application, your own application. So you don't need to use Google Chrome or any other browsers, because you have your own one, which is really good. And right here we have video calls and chat, photo keyboard, app for Likey, and many other stuffs like games as well for spin the bottle. We have the magic ball, we have coloring, many different stuffs. So just to give you an example, let's go with fishing. So once you click on fishing, you will see this interface right here, which is really fun, as you can see. So all what you need to do is just to change this designs right here, this images. For example, right here we have the background, which is the background on this game right here in the background. You can change it just by clicking on it, and you can go with this existed examples. Or if you want to create your own custom background, just click on custom and upload your own custom background. It's really easy. You can as well change the player characters, you can the fishes as well, the hooks. You can change them with whatever you want to use on your online game. So make sure to change all of these designs right here if you want to create your own customized application or mobile game. So this is how it works. It's pretty simple. and you can use it completely for free, as I said. And let's jump to the second choice, or to the second website or platform in our list, which is Adalo. So Adalo actually is an advanced option than AppsGazer. So if you are a beginner and you are just trying to create some games, some applications, and to try how the things work, you have to go with AppsGazer because it's fun, it's good, you can create some good looking applications. But if you want something more advanced, go with Adalo, because Adalo is it's powerful applications. You can publish it everywhere as well, so you can create on Adalo as well applications. You can publish them on Google Play, on Apple App Store, or a custom web domain. So you can as well use a custom domain to host your application, so it will look like a website, right? And once you just browse the website, you can see that you can go with many different options right here, which is the database. So you can deal with the database right here. We have right here some actions, we have some as well some content. And once you just scroll down to this website, you can see all of the things that you have. For example, we have push notifications integrated, so you can add it automatically triggered push notifications sent to specific users. So you can send push notifications to the users of your application to notify them about something upcoming on the application or an update or something like that. You can add some link pages, you can link them on right there. You can go with login and permissions as well, so this way you will allow people or customers or the visitors or users of your application to create accounts, create and update data. So that's why I said it's more advanced, and it's the same like AppGaver. AppGaver.com is another app no code builder that will help you to build some good looking and advanced applications. So the world's first professional no code platform, enabling you to build apps for all forms factors including mobile, desktop, browser, TV, and others. So it supports all of this devices. Like you can create applications for mobiles, for desktop, for browsers, for iPads, for all of the devices that are available right there. And as you can see right here, we have right here a video that show you how things work on this platform. So just click and play the video to see how it works. It's all about, it's not that complicated. It's all about drag and drop elements, change images, added functions, and all of this stuff. It's pretty fun, it's pretty easy, and it will cost you less time and less hard work to build your application with no code skills. So as you can see right here, you can add some functions right there. It's more advanced, as I said, so it will work for your, for example, if you want to create an application for your store, something like that, it will work for you perfectly. So that was everything for today's video, guys. See you on the next video.